Hello guys, good morning and good afternoon, good evening, depends on whenever you come across this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a coconut cake. Yeah, that is what I have for this week. So these are the ingredients we are going to be using. Let's start by introducing it with the butter. Here is butter, room temperature. It has to be soft a little bit. This is 75 grams. This is sugar, just normal sugar. This is also 75 grams. This is egg, medium size. I've already broken it, you can see it's 5 pieces. This is salt, because we are adding salt to it to beat down the sweetness a little bit. And this is all-purpose flour. It's already been shifted. This is 150 grams. And this is coconut chaff. You can get it from the supermarket. I just measure it with this cup. I can't really say the gram that I measured. And this is milk also. Just a normal milk. Yeah. This is 200 ml. And this is coconut flour. Coconut flavor, sorry. This is coconut flavor. I'm going to be adding some drop to it to bring out the flavor of the coconut from the cake. And this is my baking powder. So let's get started. Before we start, first of all, this is the bowl I'm going to be using, the pan. This is 26 inches pan. Before we start, you first of all rub your pan with butter and dust it with flour. Then you will get something like this. So first, we are going to beat the butter and the sugar together. Now I'm going to scrape it down. Make sure that the sugar and the butter is well mixed together. You can see it. And I'm putting it back again to mix it again for about 5 minutes so that we properly mix together. Minute is gone. I'll scrape it down again. You can see it's all mixed together. At this point, we are going to be adding our egg. We're going to be adding it 2 by 2, and every egg you added, you allow it to mix properly before adding another one. Okay, so let's start. You allow it to mix at least about 2 or 3 minutes for the egg to be properly incorporated inside. I'm going to give it a big scrape. I'm going to scrape the bowl down before I add the last egg. this is what you'll get. A very light assistant. So at this point, I'm going to be adding the flavor. Yeah, I'm going to be adding 7 drops. That is enough. I'm going to mix again. About 1 minute. Is gone. Now I'm going to add in the flour, which I'm going to share it into 2 parts. I'm mixing it together first because I don't want it to split all over the place. I'm going to mix this one for like 2 minutes before I add the last one. Before we add the last one, I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt to it. You can see it. And the baking sugar and the baking powder. And I will mix together. Always scrape it so that everything will be mixed properly. This is what we get. So I'm adding the last flour. Mix with my spatula, so I don't want it to splash everywhere. So it's a bit strong and thick. I'm adding the milk to it. Sometimes you finish the mix, sometimes you don't finish it. You just have to control it, how thick it is. So you mix again for another 2 minutes. Give it a scrape down again. See, it is what we get, and at this point I'm going to be adding the coconut chaff. And I'm adding a little bit of milk to it because I can see that it's a bit thick. Need to mix for another 2 minutes. Scrape again. I'm going to be mixing it one more time for another 2 minutes, but at this time I'm going to increase the volume or the speed of the mixer. I'm going to put it through. So I think it has mixed enough. So we are going to transfer it over the pan. Give it a shake so that everything will be balanced. One side will not be higher than one side when it's finished baking. Before you start mixing your cake, you first of all on your oven, depends on the oven you have, you're going to put it in 140 degrees, and you're going to bake for at least 45 to 50 minutes before you open your oven. Don't open it when it's not up to that time, or else it's going to decrease the temperature. See you later when it's done. Welcome back, guys. I think the 15 minutes is done, so let's check. Voila, here it is. So I'm going to check it with a toothpick. I'm going to put a toothpick inside and see. If it comes out clean, that means it's done. If it comes out, it's a cake stick on the toothpick, you know that it's not done. Wow. You can see it, guys. Clean. Putting it back again. Clean. Again. Clean. So I'm going to set this aside at least for 30 minutes to let it cool down. Then we'll come back and cut it and see how it looks like inside. See you later. Okay guys, welcome back. The coconut cake is already set for about 30 to 45 minutes. So now we are going to cut it into two and see how it looks like inside. So let's start it. This is how I cut my cake. Careful. Until the knife is out from the other side. So wow, you can see that, guys. That means it's properly done. And the other part, wow, this looking yummy. Thanks for watching and thanks for passing by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell to receive whenever I upload a new video. Thank you once again. Bye for now.